Hi, Timo.
Hi Ben, nice to see you again.
Good to see you. So, Timo, tell me, what has your experience been at IDS so far this year?
Well, for me, it's the first time being at IDS and not being in contact with the dental industry that much so far. It's super interesting for me, learning something new every minute, basically. And on the other hand, I can also provide some information for all the visitors we have here. And so for me, it's great fun so far.
Great. So, tell me a bit about what you're highlighting here for manufacturing technology for digital dentistry.
So, as you know, for the dental industry, we offer the additive manufacturing as a whole solution consisting of the machine, software parameters, and also services. So we want to show the visitors and all the guys that come to our booth that we offer the whole solution. We can carry them through the whole process. And with the additional hybrid manufacturing approach that we have, so first printing and then milling afterwards, I think we have quite an interesting offering for all the guys that come here.
Yeah, it's great to hear about the solution you're showing. Tell me a bit about how the partnership with ModuleWorks impacts that.
Yeah. So when we started the development or the development of our own build processor, Trumpf Sprint, we decided to not go from scratch and start everything on our own, but search for an experienced partner to help us in the whole development phase. And with ModuleWorks, we are still developing the whole solution further and further to make sure that the solution fits the TruePrint machines perfectly and also meets the needs of the customers.
Yeah, thanks very much. Timo, have a great remainder to the show.
Thank you.